You juggle work emails, client calls, and your to-do list, all while keeping an eye on your bank account balance. But then there's that separate account for your business, the one that never seems to integrate seamlessly. Maybe you're tired of logging in and out, constantly transferring funds, and stressing about keeping it all straight. Well, what if there was a way to streamline your finances, a modern solution designed specifically for freelancers and entrepreneurs like you? Enter Lili. Lili isn't your traditional bank. It's a financial platform built for solopreneurs, offering a business checking account that integrates seamlessly with your everyday banking needs. But before you jump in and sign up, let's break down exactly what you'll need to get started with Lili. First things first, are you eligible? Lili is currently only available for residents of the United States who are at least 18 years old. They'll need to verify your identity, so having a valid social security number and a US-based address is a must. Next up, let's talk business. Lili caters to sole proprietors, freelancers, and single-member LLCs. If your business structure involves multiple owners, Lili might not be the best fit just yet. But keep an eye out for updates, as they're constantly growing and evolving. Alright, so you're a solopreneur superstar and you're ready to conquer your finances. What do you actually need to provide when opening your Lili account? Basic info. This includes your name, birthday, phone number, and email address. Pretty standard stuff. Social security number. As mentioned earlier, Lili needs to verify your identity, so your SSN is crucial. U.S. address. They'll need to know where you reside, so make sure you have your current U.S. address handy. Business information. Here's where things get interesting. You'll need to provide your business name and the physical address where you operate your business. This can't be a P.O. box or a virtual address. It needs to be the actual location where you run your freelance empire. Now, depending on your business type, Lili might ask for some additional information. Sole proprietors. If you're a one-person show, things are pretty straightforward. You can simply use your SSN and, in some cases, Lili might request additional documentation if you operate under a doing business as DBA name. Single-member LLCs. Here, Lili will likely ask for your business registration documents along with your employer identification number, EIN. This is a special tax ID number assigned to your business by the IRS. Don't worry, the application process is designed to be quick and easy. Most of the time, you can get set up with Lili in under 3 minutes. Here's the beauty of Lili. There's no minimum deposit required to open an account. That's right, zero. They understand that freelancers and entrepreneurs might not always have a steady stream of income, and that shouldn't be a barrier to managing their finances effectively. So, with all that covered, are you ready to ditch the financial juggling act and streamline your business and personal banking with Lili? Remember, Lili is still a young platform, so keep in mind that features and requirements might evolve over time. But for solopreneurs and freelancers looking for a modern and integrated financial solution, Lili is definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hustling.